I've been using OpenAI's O3 model for a while now, and let me tell you, it's absolutely game-changing. Sure, I've said that about other models in the past, but O3 is different. It's not just about processing text or simple image recognition. This model feels like it can actually think for itself and make decisions. It's a true AI agent, not just a fancy tool. And today, I'm going to walk you through 9 use cases that have totally transformed the way I work and solve problems every day. Before diving in, there's something important you need to know. The biggest change with O3, and something I didn't realize until I was really pushing its limits, is that it has a cap on how many messages you can send per week. Even with a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise account, you're limited to 50 messages a week. That's around 7 messages per day. So, while this video is all about showing off the power of O3, just keep in mind that you have to ration your messages a bit. It's still incredibly powerful, but managing your usage is key. With that said, let's dive into the 9 insane use cases that I found. Make a 3 stand out from any other AI model out there. 1. Advanced image reasoning, thinking with images. One of the first things that blew me away with O3 was its ability to think with images. It's not just looking at an image and recognizing objects or shapes. It's analyzing, interpreting, and reasoning based on what it sees. For example, let's say you upload a photo of a street in an unknown city. Traditional image recognition might tell you there's a building, a car, and some trees. But O3 goes beyond that. It starts to break down the scene, paying attention to the architecture, the lighting, the angle of shadows, even the climate. It can zoom into different sections and figure out where exactly the image was taken based on these clues. Try uploading a cityscape or even a landscape image and ask a 3 to analyze it. Ask questions like, where could this photo have been taken? Or, what kind of weather is depicted in this image? Watch as it reasons through its analysis. You'll be amazed at how deeply it can understand the details. 2. Solving visual puzzles and mazes. Speaking of reasoning with images, O3 takes it even further with problem-solving tasks like puzzles and mazes. I've tested it on some tricky mazes, and it solved them in no time. The model doesn't just look at the maze and guess, it actually breaks down the structure of the maze, analyzes the gaps, and comes up with a logical path to the exit. It's kind of like having a supercharged problem-solving assistant that can dissect complex visual puzzles. Imagine using this on a Where's Waldo puzzle or a complex riddle involving patterns. Take a picture of a maze or a puzzle and ask a 3 to solve it. Watch as it breaks down the problem and provides a solution. You can even ask it to explain its reasoning process step by step. This is a fantastic way to understand how it tackles complex visual challenges. 3. Business data analysis and forecasting. Now let's get into some real-world applications for business. If you've ever had to sift through business data, sales figures, customer behaviors, inventory numbers, you know how time-consuming and mind-numbing it can be. Well, O3 can do all of that for you, and it does it fast. I ran some synthetic data for a Shopify store I've been working with, and O3 gave me a detailed analysis of the last 3 years of sales. Not only that, but it also forecasted future trends based on that data. It identified key seasonal peaks, growth patterns, and gave suggestions on where to focus marketing efforts to maximize revenue. Upload your business's data, whether it's from a Shopify store, e-commerce platform, or just a simple Excel file, and ask a 3 to analyze it. You can even ask for projections based on different strategies, such as increasing ad spend or targeting certain customer groups. The insights you'll get will be incredibly valuable in fine-tuning your business strategy. 4th, deep research capabilities. If you've ever tried to do deep research, whether it's market analysis, scientific studies, or even digging into the latest tech trends, you know how overwhelming it can be. There's so much information out there, and it can take hours to gather and synthesize everything into a cohesive report. But with O3, all of that work gets done in a fraction of the time. It's like having an AI-powered research assistant that can scan the internet, pull relevant articles, and summarize everything for you. It's like a search engine on steroids that actually understands what you're looking for and provides actionable insights. Pick a topic you need deep research on. It could be anything from the latest trends in artificial intelligence to what's happening in renewable energy. Ask a 3 to research and summarize the key findings. You'll get a comprehensive report that helps you make informed decisions, and it'll save you hours of research time. 5. Creative writing and storytelling. I know this one might surprise you. Creative writing from an AI. But hear me out. O3 has actually scored incredibly high on the Creative Writing V3 benchmark, which measures emotional intelligence and storytelling abilities. It can create compelling narratives, craft emotional story arcs, and even develop characters that feel real. Give O3 a writing prompt. Maybe you're stuck on a short story idea, or you're looking for a creative angle for a blog post. Let O3 help you come up with ideas, build a plot, or even write a few paragraphs. It's a perfect tool for overcoming writer's block or generating fresh ideas for your next project. 6. Coding and technical problem solving. If you're a developer, you know that sometimes coding problems can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube. But with O3, it's like having a coding partner who's always available to help you debug your code, optimize functions, or even create something from scratch. I've used O3 to write small code snippets and even troubleshoot errors in my own projects. It's a solid assistant for when you're stuck or need to quickly prototype something without spending hours figuring out syntax. Present O3 with a coding challenge, whether it's a specific function you need help with or an error you can't seem to fix. Review the code it generates and see how it simplifies the problem. If you're working on a more complex project, you can even ask O3 to help with specific algorithms or integrate multiple pieces of code into one seamless solution. 7. Visual data interpretation. We've all had to deal with charts, graphs, or other forms of visual data that are a bit hard to interpret, whether it's a business dashboard, a market trend graph, or a scientific studies data visualization. Interpreting those visuals can be a challenge, but with O3, it can break down these visuals, explain what the data represents, and even predict trends based on the graph. 8. Educational assistance and tutoring. O3 can also serve as a personal tutor for almost any subject. Whether you're studying for a big exam or just trying to understand a difficult concept, O3 is there to explain things in detail, breaking down complex ideas into easy-to-understand pieces. Its ability to answer questions and clarify doubts is incredible. Ask O3 about a topic you're learning. It could be math, history, or philosophy. You can get O3 to explain things at any level of difficulty. O3's got you covered. It's like having a tutor that's available 24/7. 9. Strategic planning and decision-making. One of the most powerful features of O3 is its ability to assist with high-level strategic planning. Whether you're launching a new product or working on a personal project, O3 can help you map out the best course of action by analyzing available data and considering all factors. It's like having a strategic advisor on hand, one that can give you a clear roadmap of where to go next. Whether it's deciding when to roll out a marketing campaign or figuring out the best way to structure your workday, O3 provides insights that guide your decisions. Present O3 with a scenario, say a new business venture, and ask for a strategic plan. You can get O3 to weigh different options, analyze risks, and create a plan that maximizes your chances of success. As you can see, OpenAI's O3 model is nothing short of incredible. It's not just an AI. It's a tool that can tackle everything from complex image analysis to business forecasting and creative writing. The possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, a student, or just someone looking to explore AI's potential, O3 has something to offer. I highly recommend you dive in and start experimenting with OpenAI's O3 model. Explore these use cases, try them out for yourself, and see how they can fit into your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use O3 in your daily life. I'm excited to see what you all create with it.